Rapunzel, Queen Elsa, Princess Anna, beautiful Princess Belle. All our princesses are super happy to be having some play-doh dresses today. Let's get started with you, Queen Elsa. How about a green play-doh dress for you? Let's get started.
This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played two. He played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played three. He played knick-knack on my knee with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played four. He played knick-knack on my door with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played five. He played knick-knack on my hive with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man
It's
came
time for shining glitter. Glitter all over her dress.
on my sticks with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played seven. He played knick-knack up in heaven with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played eight. He played knick-knack on my gate with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came
A little bow and loads of pink flowers.
This old man, he played nine. He played knick-knack on my spine with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
Our beautiful Queen Elsa is ready in her green dress. Now, if you like her dress, you have to give this video a big thumbs up. I'll be waiting for your likes. You can go back to your place now, Elsa. Are you ready to see Anna in her beautiful new princess dress? Let's get started then.
The farmer in the dell, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child, hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow.
Ooh, shining glitter.
The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone, stands alone.
Presenting you our gorgeous Princess Anna. She's looking so adorable in this shining dress. So many flowers, glitter, diamonds. I just love her dress. Princess Belle is ready in her yellow dress full of red flowers. Loads of flowers, diamonds. How much do you like this dress, friends? Please let me know in the comment section below and give her a big thumbs up. Rapunzel, how about a yellow and purple dress for you?
Little red wagon painted blue, little red wagon painted blue, little red wagon painted blue, skip to my Lou, my darling.
Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, my darling.
Off to Texas 2x2, off to Texas 2x2, off to Texas 2x2, skip to my Lou, my darling.
Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, my darling.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, my darling.
Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Beautiful Rapunzel in her purple dress full of glitter, flowers, yellow flowers, diamonds. I just love her in her new dress. She's looking so pretty as a princess. All our princesses are looking super beautiful. Which one is your favorite, friends? Please let me know in the comment section below. My favorite is Princess Anna. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos. Subscribe! See you soon, everybody! Have a look at these princess dresses videos. They are awesome.